Hi, my name's Ashley, and I'm the author of Getting Through Tough Times with HealthyPlace. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most common experiences that people might have when they're going through a tough time, which is a panic attack. Panic attack kind of ranges in severity, and the symptoms can differ, depending on a number of factors. But for instance, some people feel like they are literally dying when they have a panic attack, and it's a serious concern because they might feel like they're having a heart attack. And then other people feel like they're going to pass out. And then some people recognize the signs of a panic attack right away and are able to kind of calm themselves down a little bit. So today we will talk about some of those symptoms. The physical symptoms of a panic attack are very similar to a lot of other things that you might experience in your day. For instance, shortness of breath and sudden fatigue and feeling like you can't, get a proper breath. Those are symptoms that you might associate with, just, walking quickly or having a good workout. But there are also chest pains and nausea and just suddenly feeling exhausted, especially if you have a panic attack, like when you're getting ready for bed. It might be really upsetting and make it really hard for you to get to sleep. So it can definitely interfere with your daily life if you're not prepared for it. There are also a lot of emotional symptoms of a panic attack. So you might feel suddenly just very scared for no reason. You might get a sudden rush of adrenaline, and that puts you into that fight or flight mode, and you feel like you have to act, but you don't have anything to act on. And it can just make you feel intensely afraid of anything from, nothing to a party to just leaving the house. There are also mental symptoms. Like for me, when I have a panic attack, I tend to get very frustrated. And it can be really easy for me to be, sort of set off. If I'm trying to focus on something and someone's trying to talk to me, it's like, I can't, listen to you right now. But, you might also be very confused. You might not know, where you are suddenly. So there's a lot going on within your entire body that can just be very confusing when you're in a state of panic, even if that panic doesn't necessarily have a stimulus. And that's kind of what a panic attack is when your body's reaction doesn't match up with what is causing it. So your reaction to a stimulus is way too intense, by normal standards, I guess you could say. But a panic attack is different for everybody, and some people have very mild symptoms and some people have, very intense symptoms. So it's really important that you pay close attention to yours so that you can kind of find something that works. I would love to hear some of your suggestions for people who might not have had a panic attack yet or who have them frequently. So let me know what you do to stay calm during a panic attack and how you recommend others deal with it.